Did you know that a car can be printed? Yes, you heard it right. Welcome to the world of 3D printing, where we're revolutionizing the automotive industry by slashing production times and costs. Intriguing, isn't it? Stick around as we delve deeper into this technological marvel. 3D printing in the automotive industry isn't a new concept, but its evolution is nothing short of spectacular. This revolutionary technology started modestly, producing small components and prototypes. As the technology matured, it began churning out larger, complex parts, transforming the manufacturing process. It brought unheard of efficiency, shrinking production times from months to mere days. Today, 3D printing stands as a cornerstone of modern car manufacturing, enabling rapid prototyping, reducing waste, and driving innovation. From months to days, 3D printing has indeed accelerated car manufacturing like never before. What if you could tailor your car parts to your specific needs? With 3D printing, that's not just a dream anymore. This technology is revolutionizing the automotive world by offering limitless customization possibilities. From personalized gear knobs to bespoke wheel designs, 3D printing is enabling enthusiasts and manufacturers to create components that truly reflect their individual needs and aesthetic preferences. This means no two cars need to be the same anymore. 3D printing has opened a new world of customization, making every car unique in its own way. The future of car manufacturing holds exciting possibilities with 3D printing technology. Imagine a world where production times are slashed and customization is not just an option, but a standard. As we peer into the horizon, we see advancements that could further enhance efficiency and tailor-making. Picture this, a car part designed, customized, and printed within hours, not weeks. As we continue to innovate, the future of car manufacturing with 3D printing is indeed promising and something to look forward to. So, what have we learned today? The advent of 3D printing has revolutionized car manufacturing, cutting production times dramatically, while opening a world of customization. This technology is not just reshaping the industry, it's driving it forward. As we embrace the future, 3D printing in the automotive industry is not just a trend, it's a revolution.